Okay, I'm going to try to do a real quick YouTube video here of the Rolex watch replica for the Yachtmaster 2. It has a double locking clasp that some people that I know have been having some difficulty with. So it opens on the back quite simply with a, like I said, it's got a double locking clasp here. If you flip open the double lock, right on the back here on this end, it's got a very delicate spring type mechanism. You see this little grip thing here, if you just move that very slightly, it dislodges from the clip on here. So just the slightest little lift and it will disconnect. Just that simply. And then you double lock it like so. Okay, I hope this helps.